Okay, so let's take a look at how you can install Node.js on macOS. So first thing, make sure that you have Homebrew installed. So this is one of the method that you can use to quickly install Node, right? So we are going to take a look at two methods. First being Homebrew and second being installing LTS installer from official Node.js. So if you go through Homebrew method, what you will need is make sure to run this particular command to install Homebrew on Mac. And if you have Homebrew already installed, what you can do is you can open your terminal, and within terminal we are going to use a bunch of commands to install Homebrew. So when you open terminal, make sure to type in brew update to see whether you have everything updated within brew. Then you can also do brew doctor to see if you are ready to go with installation, right? Finally, you have to install Node.js by typing brew install and then node, right? That should install Node.js on your system. Once installed, you can check the Node.js version by typing in node-version, right? And that pretty much is the simplest installation for Node.js, right? So now second method being, we can take a look at Node.js through LTS installer. Okay, now here you can open a new tab and make sure to type in nodejs.org. Now when you go to official website nodejs.org, it should show you two options for installing Node.js. First being LTS version and second being current. So if you use LTS version, you get long-term support for that particular installation, and current release being supported within a specific period, right? So let's go with LTS release, and it shows you clicking on that downloads .package file. So this .package file will be downloaded into your downloads folder, right? So let's go there. Now within downloads folder, we'll try to open this window, and here you can right click, and here we open with installer, which is default. Now as you can see, this starts installer that shows what will be installed. So it will install Node.js version 16 NPM version 8.5, and it will be installed in user local bean for Node and NPM respectively. So click continue, then you can read through license agreement, then continue. Okay, so make sure that you agree with the terms. Now here you see it shows you where you wish to install. Click continue. Then you can also see whether you want to install within that disk. You can change location. For now, let's just continue because that's the only default location. So click install. Now here it will ask you to input your super user password, then click install. Now here you see our node is now installed. Make sure that user local bean is in your path. So let's close this, right? Now do you want to move Node.js installer to the bean, right? You can move to the bean. That's it. Now next thing is going to our terminal and checking whether we have node installed. So let me open new instance. Now let's open terminal for checking node version, which is node -- version, and we will also take a look at the npm version, right? So npm /version, and here you see both of them are properly installed. Now we will take a look at some of the commands that we can use for working with Node, right? So let's say if I want to install a package, what I can do is npm install and then name of package, let's say chance.js, right? So I will just install npm install chance and it will install that package. Right now, if you want to update that package, npm update and chance if there is an update, see it is up to date. Right now, if you want to update the npm itself, just type in npm update and you can do the package update for global by pushing in -g. Similarly, if you want to install a package globally, simply use npm install -g. Similarly, if you want to uninstall a package, you can simply type in npm uninstall and then chance, and as you can see, that package is now removed. Right, so we have managed to install Node.js and npm on macOS. Now let's take a look at some of the npm commands that you should know. So make sure to open terminal, and here first thing we will take a look at is npm command known as install. So npm install and then your package name, right? So I have put them into this less than and greater than symbol because you should replace all of this with your package name, something like, let's say, chance.js, or let's say React or Vue, right? So your package should be right here. Now npm install will install that locally to your project. If you want it globally, simply use -g and then your package name like React or something else, right? So this is your npm install command. Next thing is npm update. So previously I already covered it for this particular command, which is updating your specified package after that. So if you have React after update command, you will have that package updated, right? And then what we will do is we will also try to see the global flag, which is -g and then package name. So basically we are updating React package globally, right? Now then comes the depreciate command. This command will depreciate the registry for a package. So if you are uploading any npm package and see any package depreciated, you can use npm depreciate command, so providing this warning to all who try to install this. So npm depreciate and then your package, right? So whatever the name may be that you have uploaded, you can flag in that package so other can see the depreciation warning as well. Similarly, there is also outdated commands that checks the registry for outdated set of packages. So if you type in npm then outdated, okay, so that should show you the list of all packages which are outdated, right? Then comes the npm doctor. Okay, just like brew, it also checks for environment, whether your installation is ready to handle the packages, right? So it will check for whether your npm is ready to install or not those set of packages, right? Then comes the initialize command, which is npm init. So it will create a package .json file within your project directory, and it will basically initiate your project within that particular directory, right? So next comes the npm space start command. So this command is basically a start property within the script. If you don't have this, or if it's not defined, then it will run the node server.js command. So followed by npm start, you usually have something like index.js or server.js, right? So that happens within your package JSON. So npm start command is for that, is to initiate with server.js file within your npm, right? Next is when you want to build a package, you use npm build, right? So this basically builds a package, right? Now next command that we can look is npm ls. So just like on Mac and Linux, ls will list all the packages, and in context of npm it will list all the packages and their dependencies as well, right? Now comes npm space version. So this will basically bumps a package version from npm, right? Now comes next command, which is npm search, and then your package name, or if you want to search for a specific package, you can type that in. So it will search for npm registry for that package matching those search terms, right? Then there is also help command, which we should have been listed within the first of this discussion, npm help. This will give you all the help that you need for working with npm packages, right? Now comes the owner command. So owner command is for managing ownership of published packages. So if you are making any packages using your npm registry and using that platform, you want to identify yourself, then you can use npm owner to show that you are the one managing the package, right? Also it will show the ownership of that published package as well.